Shopping global with Aliexpress and Binance. Imagine a world where you can access products from every corner of the globe, all from the comfort of your home. Aliexpress is a huge online marketplace, offering a vast array of products. People can buy products from sellers all over the world, making it a truly global shopping experience. You can find almost anything on Aliexpress, from everyday essentials to unique, hard-to-find items. They have clothes, electronics, home goods, and more. The variety is endless, catering to all your needs and wants. Binance is a platform for trading cryptocurrency, offering a wide range of digital currencies. It is popular and easy to use, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced traders. Many people use Binance to buy and sell crypto, taking advantage of its robust features and security. Now you can use Binance to buy things on Aliexpress, seamlessly integrating your crypto assets with your shopping needs. This opens up exciting possibilities for shoppers, combining the convenience of online shopping with the innovation of cryptocurrency. You can shop globally and use cryptocurrency, making transactions faster and more secure. This guide will show you how to use Binance on Aliexpress, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free experience. We will make it easy to understand, breaking down each step so you can start shopping with crypto in no time. Soon, you can shop the world with just a few clicks, enjoying the best of both worlds, global products and digital currency. Using Binance on Aliexpress has many benefits. One benefit is security. Binance is a secure platform. It helps protect your financial information. This gives you peace of mind when shopping online. Another benefit is low fees. Using Binance can be cheaper than other payment methods. This is especially true for international purchases. You can save money on fees. Finally, using Binance is convenient. Once you set up your account, it's easy to use. You can shop on Aliexpress with just a few clicks. This makes your shopping experience smooth and enjoyable. Using Binance on Aliexpress is simple and convenient. First, you need a Binance account. This is your gateway to using cryptocurrency for online purchases. If you don't have one, sign up on their website. The process is straightforward and only takes a few minutes. Next, you need to have cryptocurrency in your Binance account. This is essential for making transactions. You can buy cryptocurrency on Binance. They offer a variety of options to suit your needs. Now you can shop on Aliexpress. Browse through millions of products from various categories. Find the product you want. Take your time to read reviews and compare prices. When you check out, choose Binance as your payment method. This will link your Aliexpress purchase to your Binance account. Aliexpress will give you a unique Binance Pay ID. This ID is crucial for completing your transaction. Go to your Binance app and scan the code. This will automatically fill in the payment details. Confirm the payment details and click Pay. Double-check everything to ensure accuracy. That's it. You've successfully used Binance to buy something on Aliexpress. Enjoy your purchase and the convenience of using cryptocurrency. Section 4. Aliexpress by the numbers, a global phenomenon. Aliexpress is incredibly popular and its influence is felt worldwide. Millions of people around the world use it every day, making it a household name in online shopping. In fact, Aliexpress has over 150 million buyers outside of China, a testament to its global appeal. That's a lot of shoppers. These users come from diverse backgrounds and regions, all united by their love for great deals. The platform offers over 100 million products ranging from everyday essentials to unique finds. This incredible selection is one reason for its success, catering to a wide array of tastes and preferences. Whether you are looking for electronics, the latest gadgets, clothing, trendy fashion, or home goods, Aliexpress has it all, making it a one-stop shop for all your needs. Aliexpress ships to over 200 countries and regions, ensuring that no matter where you are, you can access its vast marketplace. This global reach makes it a truly international marketplace, bridging the gap between buyers and sellers worldwide. It connects buyers and sellers from all corners of the world, fostering a global community of commerce and exchange. Section 5. Ready to shop the world? Now you know how easy it is to use Binance on Aliexpress. You can shop for millions of products. You can pay securely and conveniently with cryptocurrency. Why not give it a try? You might be surprised at what you can find. Happy shopping!